Hey guys, it's Drew Mead from MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I'm standing on a brand new 2024 one owner fresh trade-in Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. You can see this boat is equipped with the bow sun pad bedding option, so you do have seats in the front. The boat is also pre-wired from the factory for a trolling motor. So the boat is basically ready to be outfit however you want. Ready to go fishing. The boat's got the battery trays for a 24 volt trolling motor. The guy had a Minn Kota trolling motor on there before, which is why you see the Minn Kota GPS puck. And he left behind the quick disconnect mount for a Minn Kota trolling motor as well. Other brands will fix to that mount. Moving aft, the boat came from the factory with a Simrad multifunction display. So you do have the digital chart plotter, depth sounder, you can get your speed, all the data you could need for fishing. As well, the boat came from the factory with a JL audio sound system. So when you pair your phone Bluetooth to the sound system, you can control your audio from the Simrad screen or from the head unit itself. The Mercury digital dash does have an LCD screen display there, so you can get all your engine data. The boat is also equipped with a Simrad VHF radio. The boat does have the reversible backrest from the helm seat, so you can adjust this into any position you want if you want it rear facing for fishing or forward facing for driving. The boat also has the ski tow bar, so you can do water sports, fishing. Really, this is probably one of my favorite Boston Whalers out there. Comes with a factory matched trailer as well. If you guys want to learn more about the boat, you can visit us online or come see us at Bald Ridge Marina.